So this is exactly how I was able to fix my ONIKUMA C1 controller not turning on. So I found out that when you first get the controller and it's not turning on, the most common reason is because you actually have to charge it for a bit. So I had to charge it, so you can see right here, we need to insert the charging cable right here on top here. And then the other end, I mean, I plugged it into an adapter, but you can plug it into your PC or laptop, of course, if you want to. And then when you see this red like button blinking here, or just shining red consistently here, this means that it's actually now being charged here, as you can see. And when it's being charged, just give it like, wait 20 to 30 minutes before trying to turn it on. And once there's been 20 to 30 minutes, you can just click on any button, quite often maybe the home button as well, and you will be able to turn it on here, as you can see. And if you want to turn it off, I just have to click one time on this button right here. So yeah, basically that is exactly how I myself was able to fix this.